wanted to know why I actually had a surgery over here. The surgeon cut me over here, and they have to remove my, I don't want to say that. Looking at the tons of people you work with, do they have to live there before you leave, or you leave when you want to leave?
Okay, so I'm going to answer this from a student perspective.
Yeah.
My clinicals ends at 12.
Okay.
Between 12 to 1. So, and if I know I have class, I have to leave to make sure I get to school on time. Yeah.
Oh, I get you.
But we've had a situation whereby class was cancelled and we received the message that you are not supposed to leave the hospital until the program is entirely over.
Wow.
And that day, unluckily for me, okay, we had about 4 surgeries in that the room, the ward I was in. We had about 4. All my friends had left, and I was still there with the chief anesthetist I was working.
Then by
with.
By now you should know some of the pathologies that they actually work on. Well, we'll talk about later. So, Danny Music, this is not the last set of questions. Okay, second to last set of questions. It's about Morocco. But before that, I would like to know what you enjoy most about your course and what you hate about your course.
Oh, this is...
I know there are a lot of things. Just tell me one.
What I love about my course.
Yeah.
The aspect where you're undergoing surgery and your life is in my hands.
Wow.
If I mess up, everything is gonna spoil.
Yeah.
If I do my job well, you're gonna come out alright.
Yeah.
But the part I don't like is I am not the one that the patient will be thanking afterwards. The patient will be like, surgeon, doctor, thank you. We did our job when you were sleeping.
I get it.
You see,
so
we did our job when
you
sleeping.
love that you are the boss in charge.
I mean,
but you don't love
charge.
it when you are not appreciated
when
for
I'm
what
not
you
appreciated.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I think
It's
that
very
is what
sad.
we have to get used to.
Yeah.
As anesthetists, you will not be appreciated.
You guys get used to it.
If you're that student that wants, or that kind of person that always wants to be the one standing out and everybody seeing you, anesthesiology is not for you.
It's bad for you. Oh,
it's not bad, but
it's not good for you, the individual.
With that personality, because the patient will not see you. They are seeing the surgeons. They are the heroes.
They will see the anesthesiologist too, right? The anesthesiologist.
No. We are doing the same way.
Okay. You just don't want me to be the head of your department.
No.
Okay. So tell me any advantage or disadvantage about studying in Morocco over Ghana.
Over Ghana.
Let's be specific.
Studying anesthesia.
Yeah, studying anesthesia.
Anesthesia in the... Of course, number one benefit, I'm studying this for bachelor's degree.
Okay.
Like in Ghana, it's master's.
Yeah.
You see, I'm studying for bachelor's degree, and I compared the curriculum, Ghana and Morocco, and bro, ours is too charged.
Wow.
And
yeah, because you are doing it for just 3 years, and someone has to.
In Ghana,
before
but it's 2 years there.
It's 2 years
it's
as masters. Okay.
It's 2 years as masters.
So yours is really charged.
It's so charged, so charged.
And the disadvantage. Yeah, the fact that it's charged, I guess.
It's so charged, and it's...
So what's the advantage? Because you are doing masters and degree at the same time.
I'm doing a masters and degree thing. That is the
disadvantage is because it's charged.
It's extremely charged. But I think it comes with it. I mean, we move.
So far as there is an advantage to it. But I think the advantage...
And we are not paid well.
I don't want to talk about that.
No, you say a disadvantage. Oh, okay. Studying it in Ghana. Okay. So we just ended it.
Yeah, we just ended it. Yeah. So advice to anyone coming to study your course, and the fact that the person is coming to do it here in Morocco.
It's worth it. That's all I'll say.
Wow. Just those. It's worth it.
It's worth
those 3 words. Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
Say it again. They would have to.
It's worth it.
Okay. Now this is just the fun fact about what you are doing. Okay. So this set of questions, then we are done. So do you actually kill people and make them live and resurrect them later?
Yes.
And how is that possible?
That is what we do. With the help of ankle propofol, bra fentanyl, sister.
Those are the medications.
Yeah, those are the drugs. Okay. Some of the drugs we use. We actually use very sophisticated drugs.
Because someone will be like, you stab them and then, or the surgeon cut them and then they are dead. And
no, we killed them before the surgeon cuts. So we did the job. We killed you first.
Okay.
We take pride in it.
Someone might say you are wicked enough.
It's the kind of murder we take pride in.
Okay. Yeah. Then that's how you get away with murder. There's no need to go to law school. Yeah. Medical school will help. And you become an anesthesiologist. Okay, how is it? Okay, yeah. So, any funny experience during administration of anesthetic drugs to a patient that you want to share?
Yes.
Just share. We would like to know. We would love to know.
So, there was this guy. You know, if you are a chronic smoker, okay, and you become very resistant to these anesthesia drugs. So normally, if we are giving the kind of dose we will give to a normal sane patient, sometimes we give like 2 or 3 times that to, let's say, somebody who is a chronic smoker. And there was this guy who, like, younger but like a really, really chronic smoker. And we gave first dose of propofol. Propofol is what's supposed to make you sleep. Okay. This guy was awake, was telling us the drug will not work on him. And he was laughing at us.
This time you can't kill him.
He was literally laughing at us.
I know, right?
And we injected the thing, we're waiting, nothing is happening. The boy is still normal. He was laughing, and like his laughter was so contagious, and we all started laughing. And then we gave second dose. Yeah. We kept giving little by little, and the drug started, hitting him off. And we had to give some quantity again, and he was still laughing, and it was something like it.
And finally, yeah, I know, right?
It was so funny.
I know, right?
It was so funny. He was laughing while I was just
sleeping,
dozing, and just left.
Yeah, I know. I think I had wanted to ask you a question, but I've forgotten about the question. So this particular patient you just spoke about, what was he having as a pathology?
I've forgotten.
You do kill a lot of people. Imagine doing 4 surgeries.
4 surgeries a day, like I've forgotten.
Okay, Daniel, it's good having you around, and
but your surgery, you said you wanted to know why.
Yeah, very good. I wanted to know why I actually had a surgery over here. The surgeon cut me over here, and they have to remove my, I don't want to say that.
Normally, the thing is that's what we do. But
why?
Like for a surgery that is going to be around this part of your body, there was
I hope
no
you can
need,
see it so that it doesn't look like.
There was no need taking off your boxes, because we are not doing it here. They are not even going to sterilize any part of your body.
Stop pointing at.
It is. It is just here, so there was no need. Okay. So, but I guess it's just one of those things.
Wow. Yeah, that's the pleasure
And we normally do that, especially when anesthesia general.
Yeah. There should be a reason to that.
Oh, they just don't mind those people who took it off.
So Daniel, once again, thank you for having you over here.
Thanks for having me as well.
I really appreciate it. I called you yesterday and you came. Very wonderful.
It's been nice talking.
It's very stressful, and I hope you're enjoying your summer too. Because mine is stressful.
Summer care.
Well, let's not talk about that. We wouldn't want people knowing about it. So just send it off. You started, so let's end.
Oh yeah, so
don't forget to subscribe to his channel. I told you the other time.
Even on my channel, I've actually come up with something.
To invite me. I'll be willing to come, right?
But then I'll be doing series.
I should do the beat.
I'm planning on doing a series where, let's say, this for a cover, let's say I'll take an artist like Justin Bieber, and I'm going to cover a lot of his songs. Wow. Let's say cover like 6 to 10 of his songs. Wow. Then I move to another artist, like that series kind of thing. So
this is the best time today because you are in summer.
I have all the time, so I just have to do it.
Because when you start this school again, like you said, the system is what?
It's designed to kill us.
So you should not forget to subscribe to his channel.
Don't forget.
That doesn't mean you shouldn't subscribe to mine. Subscribe to mine. Subscribe to his. Subscribe to his. Subscribe to mine. You might have seen him somewhere before. just please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
we beg you. Yeah. Subscribe to our channel.
You don't pay for it. Come on. And don't forget to also like. Okay, because it actually keeps our video first when guys are looking for those kind of informations. And don't forget to comment in the comment section. And this one is about anesthesiologist and then anesthetist. Do you think they do the same thing? Well, you should do your researches. I wouldn't want to fight over it. It's enough, Daniel. It's enough. The blue gang, we won.
No,
we won.
No,
all those things
we don't. We do the same thing. You are not. You just. I didn't send you to school more than me. No, you chose that path. No. We do the same thing. At the end of the day, we are doing the same thing.
Please.
So please, we do the same thing. Nobody is bigger.